Bonjour, hello, welcome to another video, Max Mountain World. The high season's passed by and so has a lot of the good weather. It's changing today. The latest forecast is in a few hours time it's going to start raining, turning to snow overnight. So I'm going out for a dash before that happens, before the storm comes in, and we'll see what's going on. Compare it to the next time out. Hopefully this next storm is going to leave some snow for us to play with. Some more snow. There's plenty on the pistes and a few not too bad off the sides when I was out a couple of days ago. So we'll see what happens. Here we go, skiing just before the storm. I'm a bit early. 9th of March. 9 degrees at 1800 meters. All time. And then I'll do my warm up down to 1650 and head up from there. Dodgy. Bonjour.
Ça va?
Ça va et toi?
Oui.
Wow. Where is everyone? Awesome. And a little bit of wind building up. The wind coming in before the storm. This is pretty slow. Bonjour. Right, let's go get warmed up. Properly. Cheers. This system's coming in from the southwest. You can see the dark cloud above us here, hiding the sun, so it's keeping the temperatures low, which could be good news. Rain turned to snow later. To my right, the Pouster lift and the Fontaines lift. A bit of a queue still, not quite into lunchtime, although not many people in the restaurant as yet, and not many people on the piste. I'm going to go down and change my skis I'm going to go back to the last skis I did in the last video, my Rossignol Smash 7s. They're a bit better than these. These aren't rubbish, but they're a bit better. So I'm going to take advantage. It's 1:45. Hopefully I can catch a quiet-ish time down at 1800, nip back to the workshop and change my skis and head up. It's a bit rough and the light's flat as well, so I'm not going to really need speed. Manoeuvrability of the Slash 7s. Let's go for it. Closed, what does that mean? Means it's interesting. As predicted, it looks pretty quiet. so there's an empty one coming up. So no queues down there. I'll go down there to get up the top. Yeah, these are definitely better. Wow. The temperatures are dropping, so that's the system coming. No queue. Conditions are very soft up to, I don't know, I'll need to see what I've got at the top here. This is closed, the Horrible run, which is a black run, which I mentioned in previous videos. It's either excellent or an absolute nightmare. So, oh, someone's dropped a glove off the lift. Oh well, they'll be able to get that one back easy enough. Anyway, I'm going to head up. I've not done the Portet area for a while, so I'm going to go and play over there. Closed. Portet is closed. And it's very windy. This is... wow, that's stinging my skin. Woo! Yeah, the system is arriving. These are the skis for this though. Oh yeah. Just can't see much of the surface at all. The wind behind me, I wonder. It's coming in a bit quicker up the top here, but it normally starts at the top, works its way down. At the level 0, it'll then turn to rain down in the station until things cool off later on when night falls. That's the way, that's the way it seems to be going. So I'm going to head down here. Can't do much too fast, so I'm going to visit a little forest area that I haven't visited yet this winter. Favourite place of mine. The crystal conditions seems good for it. Famous last words? Who knows? Thanks for watching. The whole area over towards Ekran, you can see getting very hazy as the system's coming in from behind me here towards there. It's a bit of a different direction from the usual, but it's going to twist and turn as the storm comes through. This is what I've got of the latest forecast, so nothing else for it really. Let's do it. It's a bit clumpy, but it's okay. Woo! Yeah. And soft there. Whoa, trees, trees, trees. Right, head over to this next bit down here. Go round a bit more. Oh yeah. Little route through. Whoa, it's deep here. Deep and soft. Woo! Yeah. Wow, the wind howling through the trees. Snow blowing. It's coming. Wow. Whoa. Yeah. Okay, I'll let this little gust go past and go and do this lovely bit down here. Wow. I hope the fluffy mic is picking this up. Woo! Yeah. Wow. But it's going to be behind me, so this is going to be filling in some of the previous marks. So effectively what I'm doing here is putting down the first traces. Oh! Woo! Yep, on Mars. It's a bit clumpier than I thought. Where's that camera gone? If I can keep my hair out of the way, see how deep it is here. Wow. It's that deep. A metre. Whew. Yeah. windy and clumpy. Woo! Head back to piste. Right, and I can head round here. I know this is actually the side of a mountain bike track that I know pretty well. Now, I'm not being flippant about this. I know I'm alone, but I am nowhere near my limits. And this is why I'm heading back to piste, because I don't want to find my limits. Let's go and head in, I think, as the weather comes in. The next ski outing should be pretty good. Just work my way through. No one coming. Oh, it's nice. Oh yeah. Still can't see much, but what I can see looks good. Feels good. Oh yeah. Oops. It'll be really interesting to see how this changes my next ski. And just incidentally, there's no one here at all. Wow. Quite well carved up. Will I make it up here? No. Almost. Just missed a crash. Oh well. They're okay. Seems quite quiet down here again. I'm heading in. Legs are burning with the heaviness of the snow. Kicker.